Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomus Biology. In this particular video, we are going to talk about the ICMR BRET 2025 examination. This time the ICMR BRET is by DHR ICMR BRET examination. So the type of the examination little bit tweaked, little bit modified, although so at this moment you might have the questions regarding the exam syllabus and topics. If you wish to know about the details of the ICMR BRET syllabus and bits of pieces of the exam, the detailed video is there already in this channel. But for this video, we are going to talk about the high yield topics for the ICMR BRET 2025 examination. The topics which are very important based on the past 10 ICMR question papers. So they are not going to change the pattern of the question pattern is going to be the same, and the topics that they ask question from are going to be the similar. Okay, so we are going to talk about that in today's video with the help of this mind map, which you can, by the way, download from our Shomus Biology application. All you need to do is need to download Shomus Biology application and get inside the free study material window. You will get this mind map. So here we have the exam structures and importance scale that I'm going to share. In the new exam format, remember, started in 2024 and replaces the old ICMR exam pattern. Compulsory sections are there, 3 in total, and the importance scale that we will use in this particular video, 5 out of 5 is the highest importance scale. That means guaranteed question from the topic if I rate it 5. Very frequently asked question if I rate it 4 out of 5, and 3 out of 5 is medium, appears regularly. So 5, 4 and 3, I will categorize the topic based on the degree of relatedness and also the degree of asking questions and how much important that topic is. So there are 3 different sections. Section A is aptitude section, which is compulsory to everyone. Section B is cross-disciplinary knowledge, that is also compulsory, and that is from all the different sections of life science. So basically anything comes under the umbrella of life sciences is a part of section B, and this is also compulsory. While section C is subject specific knowledge. You need to choose any one subject, and while filling up the form you need to select your subject. So whichever subject you selected during the time of form fill up, this section C is going to be for that topic. So let's go and dig into the section A, and in section A we have biostatistics. Most important here is biostatistics. They ask a lot of questions from biostatistics, so the rating is 5 out of 5. Reasoning ability is 4 out of 5, medium high importance, and general science is of medium importance, 3 out of 5. So biostatistics, in the biostatistics, hypothesis testing is important, so they ask question from t-test, chi-square test and ANOVA. Next is the study design, and they can ask question related to case control, cohort study design and cross-sectional studies. Basic terms of biostatistics like incidence, prevalence, morbidity rate, mortality rate, question related to that. Biostatistics means statistical approaches that is linked to the biological experimentation. And data set like mean, median, mode, standard deviation, standard error calculation, this kind of questions, and their basic definition you need to know. This is very important, 5 out of 5. Reasoning ability is 4 out of 5, and among the reasoning ability you have logical reasoning, we have series completion, so they'll give you number series or alphabet series. Data interpretation like graphs and charts, and reading comprehension will also be there. But logical reasoning, series completion and data interpretation are the most important 3 among the 4. General science is also important, but least important among all the 3 concepts that we have talked about. General knowledge of specific scientific phenomena like greenhouse effect, earthquakes. Basic scientific measurements. Measurement is a part that most of the students don't follow before the exam, but it is very important. So for example, nanogram, microgram, picogram, so this kind of measurements you need to be able to find this out. So that's another important thing. That is section A, aptitude, which is compulsory. Next is section B, cross disciplinary knowledge, which is also compulsory. Cross disciplinary knowledge, and here again I'll rate it 5, 4 or 3 out of 5. So we have 5 out of 5 is core molecular biology concept. This is the most important concept for ICMR BRET examination. Molecular biology concepts like central dogma, gene regulation, like lac operon, tryptophan operon, and enzyme processes of replication, transcription, translation. Everything here is important. Next is the core cell biology. Again, 5 out of 5. Very, very important. Cell biology concepts like cell cycle and cell cycle regulation, CDKH, cell cycle checkpoint, cycling, CDKs, cell signaling like GPCR signaling and receptor tyrosine kinase signaling, and also question related to immunity, innate immunity, adaptive immunity, innate versus adaptive immunity, antibody structures and immune responses, the different interleukins, and anything related to immunology is very, very important. 5 out of 5. So core cell biology and molecular biology are the most important from the section B. Then there is core biochemistry. 4 out of 5, medium high importance. Enzyme kinetics is very important, where KM, Vmax types of inhibition are asked. Metabolism is the next important thing. Glycolysis, TCA cycle. Particularly the carbohydrate metabolism is the most important one here in this core biochemistry part, which is 4 out of 5 as importance scale. Score of importance scale. Basic genetics 3 out of 5, which is of medium importance. Mendelian inheritance, principles of genetic inheritance, both you need to prepare. That is 3 out of 5, medium importance. Mendelian inheritance as well as non-Mendelian inheritance. Biosafety and bioethics 3 out of 5. Basic concepts of biosafety level, BSL, ethic principle and ethical principle in the research, least important among all the other things. So if you want to prepare 3-4 major things, then that will be molecular biology, cell biology, immunology, biochemistry and genetics. That's all related to the section B, cross-disciplinary knowledge. And in section C, subject specific knowledge, you need to choose any one during the form fill up, and here you have immunology, biochemistry, molecular biology, microbiology and parasitology, cell biology and genetics. So you have all these topics from the different topic of choice that you've selected during your form fill up. So immunology 5 out of 5, and again antibodies, MHC, hypersensitivity and techniques. You need to understand structure, function and classes of antibodies, MHC class 1 and class 2, hypersensitivity types and techniques of immunology like ELISA, Western blotting, that is being used, serological techniques. Biochemistry, again the enzyme kinetics, metabolism and protein structure and function. Molecular biology, medium high importance. Here techniques, recombinant DNA technology is another important thing. So they ask question related to PCR, RT-PCR, qRT-PCR, RFLP, different kinds of molecular markers like RAPD, RFLP, AFLP. DNA sequencing is also important. Recombinant DNA like cloning vectors, restriction enzymes, blue-white screening, also very important. Microbiology and parasitology, another medium high importance. Pathogens like life cycles and diseases caused by Plasmodium, malarial pathogen, Leishmania donovani, trypanosoma is another important topic of pathogens, and also there are other pathogens there. Microbial pathogens will be there, Salmonella for example, E. coli for example. Then there is bacterial growth. Here we have growth curve, nutritional requirement of bacterial growth. In cell biology, medium importance, protein sorting, trafficking, apoptosis pathways, cell cycle and regulation, intrinsic versus extrinsic apoptosis pathways, everything important. In genetics, we have Mendelian genetics, non-Mendelian genetics. In the non-Mendelian genetics, we have incomplete and codominance, incomplete dominance. We have polygenic inheritance, pleiotropy, phenocopies, epistasis, pedigree analysis. We have molecular genetics, we have microbial genetics like horizontal gene transfers, example conjugation, transduction, transformation. So these are the topics that you need to prepare for this last section, that is section C, or subject specific knowledge of your choice. So you can go deeper inside individual subject specific knowledge. We may make separate videos on those different subject that you choose in ICMR BRET, but this gives you an overall sense of idea of what you need to read. Absolutely, the topics that we discussed you should not leave it at any cost, right? If you want to score well and qualify the ICMR BRET examination, you should not leave any of the topic that we have discussed, because if you leave any of this topic, then it will be very difficult for you to answer most of the questions and qualify. ICMR is a very competitive exam, very competitive, because the questions are comparatively easier than CSIR net. So many people score good marks. So even if you score a good score, still you need to fight a lot to get your rank in the upper range. Okay, although the seats have been increased, but still there is a chance. So that's the overall list of topics important for the upcoming ICMR BRET examinations. I believe this video helps you out. If you want to get this particular mind map that we shared, then download Shomus Biology application, go inside the free study material, and you are going to find it. Next, if you want to get the study material package from us, the recorded lecture which is going to help you in ICMR BRET, CSIR net, GET Life Science, one package helps all, right? You can get it from Shomus Biology. With 5 books, the price is 8,900. Without 5 books, the price is 7,900. Only 5 books, 3,900. That's the charge. That's what you can get from us. If you wish to get it, then contact the given number 9804654228. Visit our website www.shomusbiology.com, where you can get a study material page. From that page you can place the order or directly contact us over WhatsApp or call and find out the details of the package. If you like it, then you can proceed with the package which is going to help you. And if you wish to join Shomus Biology online coaching, the registration for the next new batch of the coaching is going on. So contact the given number for the upcoming new session of CSIR net Life Science, which is going to help you for not only CSIR net Life Science but also GET Life Sciences ICMR BRET, okay, as well as it's going to help you different institutional examination like the ISARS PhD entrance examination, IISc, TIFR, all these examinations. All the very best for the upcoming exam, and wish you the best whether you take our material, join us or don't join us, but we wish you always the best from our side. This channel is there to help you with the free videos, more than 4,200 subjective free videos that you can get and read and prepare, and those videos are still valid because these are fundamental concepts. So stay tuned to this channel, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with your friends, family members and colleagues so that they get to know about this. Thank you.